Are you driving an Audi and you would like to change the colors of the navigation to day, night or automatic mode, but you don't know how to do so? No worries. Just watch this video and I will show you in a few simple steps how to change the colors of the navigation in your Audi to day, night or automatic mode. But first, help us grow this channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Go to the Audi MMI menu and click on Navigation. Click on the settings symbol in the upper right corner. By clicking on Map Settings, you will open the menu where you can change the colors of the navigation to day, night, or automatic mode. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to click on the subscribe button and see more VAG Car Tutorials.